Welcome to the Singapore Garden Festival 2016. My name is Bailey from KlugeLuuTomes Design. We designed this garden to incorporate Mother Nature and the human impact that it has on our planet.
Now each show garden you do has to have a storyline, a deeper meaning to the garden. In our modern society there's a constant tussle and a tug of war between human development, increasingly big concrete jungles, and the decreasing of natural forests and natural habitat for animals and plants for that matter. And we wanted to showcase that.
So our main structure that you see behind me is called the pod. Now it's made from steel and we've wired it so that it has an organic feel, yet symbolises that man-made kind of element to our garden. The pod is about 6 metres long by about 2.5 metres high. It provides a nice open feeling space where you can take in the surrounding sounds of the water feature and just be able to sit back and relax.
This space we have here in Singapore is very breezy. We're right next to the sea. So I want that element of movement, an element of life. So our planting style for our garden, and it's called Back to Nature, is mimicking nature, mimicking those beautiful meadows that seem so inviting and that you see in movies where people just lie down and just forget about their worries.
What I'm sitting on is a 200 kg concrete slab, and they form a beautiful natural walkway up to our pod. They had reinforced wire because of the weight. They were very, very heavy. We had 4 to 6 men carrying them. They range from 1.4 metres up to 2 metres long. They're a nice sturdy structure, and we have beautiful lawn draping through them, giving it that natural look.
So another special plant that you hardly ever find in perennial gardens, and I think it's a new thing. I think it's one of those plants that will come to the forefront into the gardening world. It's all our ornamental rice plants. Now you get them in yellow, pink, light green, dark green, and almost black leaf.
We have an outdoor chandelier type lighting which is scattered amongst our trees. So as you're walking through the garden up to the pod, they light your path and they guide you safely through there. Our chandeliers were handmade. They were made from 5mm wire that was bent and shaped to an organic shape and then fastened onto a central piece. We've got a Hessian rope that wrapped around the wire to disguise, and we've cleverly draped them around the trees to give it that natural look. We also have lighting underneath these concrete slabs as well, so they're used quite subtly to light each corner of the steps. Now what we did was we basically drilled a hole through this concrete slab and then undermount these flush lighting. Now they create a perfect nice little ambient glow, not too in your face.